Alright, so this is going to be a video about multiplying rational expressions. In this case, we have this x squared plus 2x minus 15 over x squared plus 3x minus 18 times this x plus 6 over x squared minus 25. Now, the first step that you're generally going to want to do whenever you multiply rational expressions is to simplify and factor everything as much as humanly possible first before multiplying everything out. So that's basically what we're going to do first. The first thing I'm going to do is factor everything. So this x squared minus 2x or plus 2x minus 15. What we're going to do in this case, because it's a quadratic, we're going to factor it by finding two numbers that multiply to get this negative 15 and add to get this 2. Those two numbers would be negative 3 and positive 5. So then the expression is going to look like this for that numerator. You're going to have x minus 3 and then x plus 5. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the bottom one there, and you're going to end up with x minus 3 times x plus 6, okay? Because again, you're going to have this 6 times negative 3 to get the 18, and then the 6 plus negative 3 is going to be that 3, okay? The x plus 6 right here is already simplified, so I'm just going to write that down really quick. X plus 6. Okay, and then this x squared minus 25, it's a difference of squares, so if you factored that, you would have x plus 5 times quantity x minus 5 like this. So now everything is factored out. So now we can really do some simplifying here. So if you notice the x minus 3 over x minus 3 here, that's actually going to cancel out. So what I can do is just put lines through it like this, and then it's just going to be 1 over 1. Okay, this x plus 6, same thing. You can simplify that with this x plus 6 right here. This x plus 5 over this x plus 5 as well. Now, if you notice, I simplified these x minus 3's here, but I also did this x plus 6 over here and over here. If you remember, you're multiplying across. Now, since you multiply across, technically this is almost like one humongous fraction. So you are able to simplify this x plus 6 and this x plus 6 here, as well as this x plus 5 and x plus 5. Now, if you multiply across, what you'll notice is the final answer. So on the very top, it's 1 times 1 times 1, which is just going to be 1, divided by 1 times 1 times 1 times x minus 5, which is just going to be x minus 5. And this is the simplified rational expression of what we're multiplying right here. So that's basically the answer. So if you have any questions about anything in this video, let me know.